slow up. No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
This is pretty crazy looking. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're in my basement because the shop is way too hot, and we're going to do some measurements here so we don't have to be in the shop. So what we got in front of us, we have a Charles Parker Vise. The year is 1946. Original cost was 20 bucks. The jaw width 4.5, the opening 7 inches, weight 76 pounds. It has replaceable faces. I'm guessing that's the jaws. It has a swivel base. It doesn't have an anvil. It was given to me a few years ago, and I started to clean it up. I still have to do the swivel. One of the problems we have is this piece is missing. So without that, you can't retract the jaws. It'll still go in. Now what I did was I searched around on the internet, and this is what I found. So that's the piece that goes into here. And you can see the line here, how it goes down, it's stepped. So today what we're going to do is we're going to measure this. I'm going to draw up a piece in Fusion 360, 3D print it. Okay guys, it's time to draw this thing in Fusion 360. Sorry, this isn't a tutorial about using the software. We're going to zip right through this.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time.
And this is the first one that I drew and printed, and it fits really good. But the problem is this part is too thick, so the lead screw doesn't fit against the jaw tight enough, and we have a gap here. So I printed the same version, if you look, and I narrowed this up. Let's put it in here. How about we put it in the correct way? No, I guess I had it the correct way. And that didn't work at all. So then this is the third version, which is pretty good. But if you can see here, the lead screw isn't as tight as it needs to be. And this isn't either. I'm not worried about this part. I'm more worried about down here. So the final version, or the fourth version, I should say. Now this fits pretty good. That's where we have the lead screws sitting against the jaw of the vise. We have a little bit of a gap here. That's okay. And if we flip this up, this is sitting pretty tight. So here's the thing. So this we have to move a little further, closer to the vise. And then right here you see that we have this gap. But on the other side, hopefully you guys can see that. There's almost no gap. So remember, this is a casting and there's imperfections in it. So it's a split line. That's probably a 32nd of an inch, 16th of, probably 16th of an inch. And that's preventing our 3D printed parts to sit flush. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the mill and we'll just clean it. All right, guys, I'm going to show you what I can and can't do. So if we set up the jaw like this, I don't have enough clearance. If I lower that, who didn't see that coming? We're going to use a roughing end mill to make this cut.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
All right, guys. The surface turned out really well. It's cast iron. It's easy to machine. And that corn cob cutter, man, I love that thing. So now you can see here that we still have some gaps. It doesn't fit perfect, but we're really close. We're within, I don't know, maybe 1/16 of an inch right here. I don't know, I might go back to the 3D printer and just print another one. I'm not really sure. I might just use this as a template and make the metal one bigger, and we'll just keep machining it to fit. But anyhow, this is the end of part 1. Stay tuned for the continuing restoration of this, or the resurrection of this vise. It's going, like I said, it's a long-term project. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know.